What's up, guys? It's Kevin with the Knife Doctor. Today is Thursday. I'm going to be participating in an open tag, 3 for Thursday, and I'm going to be talking about fixed blades. I'm going to be putting oil on all the sheaths, cleaning the knives up, and this one here needs a little bit of blade repair, and I'm going to be putting a leather strap in that one right there. This one here is a Schrade 15OT. They call it the Deer Slayer, but I'm going to be cleaning it up and repairing a little bit of this blade tip right here. I'm just gonna grind that down, get rid of that tip right there, and give it a good little nice edge again. It's gonna clean up good. This one here is the Buck 102. They call it the woodsman's knife. Well, it's a good little knife, great shape. It just needs to be cleaned up a little, shined up. We're gonna see what we can do about that. Put oil on the sheath. It's missing this belt loop right there. I can't do nothing about that yet. I'm going to 2 leather workshops on Saturday, so I can't wait for that. So I might be able to do something when I get back. I hope to learn a bunch. I'm eager to learn about that. I've never fooled with leather at all, other than putting the little straps in there. Now this one here is the Schrade 158 OT. It's called the Gut Hook Skinner. It's a good little knife. Feels good, and that's a little sharp little edge right there that you can just put it under the deer skin and just pull and skin the whole deer hide. It's a good little knife. Be putting oil on this sheath. Like something got worn right there. But clean this up. I'm gonna try to get all that stuff off the blade. So with that said, let's go on over there and fix this blade real quick. Turned out too bad at all. Good looking blade now. It's got a good little edge on it. I'm gonna touch it up some more on my sharpener. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Remember that chip that was there is gone. It's got a good little edge on it. This is Remington gun oil. What I use all the time. It's just easy to use, easy to spray. I'm gonna oil the handles down real quick, just try to get some of the color back. Go ahead and put that leather strap in here. Biggest point is trying to get it even on both sides and get this straight. Get them straight. Come off. Angle like that. Now we oil it down. Now we give it the never dull treatment. Yeah, that blade looks a lot better. Schrade 158 OT, the good hook skinner. Oh, look how good that looks with that leather strap right there. Okay, guys. The sheath looks a whole lot better now. Got a new oil job. We redid that tip. It looks good and it's sharp too now. Again, this is the Schrade 15 OT, the Deer Slayer. Beautiful knife. Fits in your hand really good. You got that little thumb grip right there. Thumb pad. Beautiful knife. Then you got this knife here. That sheath looks a lot better, and that just added a lot of character to it. I love a leather strap in a frame hole. She's sharp. Sharp, man. Handle got good color. That leather strap looks good. Fits in your hand good. Just right for skinning deer. The gut hook skinner. 158 OT. That one cleaned up good too. And then the Woodsman, the buck. 102. Excellent little knife. This would be good for a little bushcraft knife. Very good knife. I just got to look into putting another belt loop on this sheath here soon. Beautiful knives. Alright guys, I had fun with this open tag. It's 3 for Thursdays. Started by Patty's Potato Peelers. He's got a good channel. Y'all check him out. I appreciate y'all tuning in today. Thanks again, guys. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.